Hi, welcome to another edition of Cooking with Yorchie. This is a trail edition. So we're about an hour away from lunchtime, and last night I made some stir fry, and yesterday's stir fry is today's burrito. So what I did is I've got my burrito, or I put in my stir fry in my tortilla shell, and I have my carrots because I'm trying to lose weight and not eat as many chips as I usually do. And we're just going to wrap this up. And naturally, the production values at Yorchie Industries is very low. So we're going to do this one-handed. Didn't really think this through. So then you're thinking, where could you cook that on the trail? Well, right there. This is a WR450, an ancient one. And it comes with a titanium pipe that will start the forest on fire if it gets really, really hot. So what I've done is I've wrapped it in header wrap, and what you do is you just take your burrito and you put it in there and ride for about half an hour, turn it the other way, and we'll see if we'll get a tasty treat. That's the end of this portion of Cooking with Yorchie, Trailside Edition. Trademarked. And here's the after of cooking. And we've been doing a lot of stop and go riding, but this thing holds a lot of heat, and you can see it's got sawdust, sort of like a wood-fired pizza oven, and oh, it's warm. It's warm and tasty. So it took a little damage right there because I didn't wrap it because I had one hand. But now I got a warm, tasty treat and 2 healthy carrots to go with it. So this has been another edition of Yorchie Trailside Food. So I just cooked my burrito, nice and tasty, and just perfect trailside food, nice and warm. Got my carrot. So, see you next time.